Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Ogomwadi. Thank you for joining me today, guys. How you doing? How you holding up? I believe we're getting a grasp of this lockdown thing. Anyway, today I want to show you how I make a pineapple lemon ginger juice. This is a very nice juice that is also helpful in case you have cold. Though in the winter time, in the summertime mostly, we drink it, throwing ice in it, and have just flavorful drink. But this time around, we're gonna be using this in a different way. What I mean is we're gonna be drinking it warm because it helps, to suppress, that flu-like feeling that you get once in a while. So let me show you what I'm gonna be needing. One whole pineapple. I'm gonna be needing ginger, lemon. If you have lime, or if you don't want, you can skip it. I don't have lime. This is real 100% lime juice. I'm going to be using like a teaspoon. Why I have this vinegar is I already washed this, but I want to wash it one more time because I'm going to be boiling the back peel of the pineapple. I'm going to use that for the syrup for the main juice. So I'm going to be using 5 bottles of distilled water to boil the back peel of the pineapple. Alright, so let me go ahead and first of all wash this. It's good to wash it. I already washed it, but since this season is I'm just going to add some white vinegar in the sponge and soap. Give it one more wash. If you don't want to use vinegar, that's fine. That's fine. It's absolutely fine. You wash the ginger properly, because all this is going to be going into the pot. Now wash the lime. Alright. So now it's time to peel the back of the pineapple. So to peel the back, first of all, just the regular way, you cut out the bottom, chop off the head. Now you can see it. Now we'll begin to slice it down. So now that I peeled the back, I'm going to go ahead and cut it like into 4 because I'm trying to remove, I call it the bone because we're not really, I'm just gonna boil that with the back end. I'm not gonna blend it with the pineapple itself. Alright, so this is the, I don't know what this is called, I think this is the bone, I'm gonna call it, and the peel. I'm gonna be boiling that, so but before that, and you just cut this into small bites. This is the ones that will go in the blender. So for the ginger, I'm not scraping the back. I'm gonna boil everything, and also when it's time to blend the pineapple, I'm still gonna blend it with the back. I show it in it. This is gonna be for the boiling. A bit of this. Alright, this should be fine. Alright. So over here, I'm gonna be putting the pineapple peel, the ginger, and just this few lemon. I want to boil it for like 20 minutes. You add your distilled water. If you like, you can use sparkling water if you just want to, take it to another level. So this is it now. I'm going to be using honey. If you want, you can use brown sugar. I'm going to be boiling this syrup with some honey. guys, most pineapple here is not really that sweet anyway, but if you're able to find a sweet pineapple, you can skip the honey or the sugar, but this is all for the flavor. So I stir it and I allow it to come to a boil. I'm getting ready for the blending of the pineapple and the ginger. I'm just slicing the ginger a little bit so it could help my blender. For blender, you could skip this when you're making it this way. Guys, you can see now it has come into a rapid boil. It's not yet ready. I give it one more stir. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to reduce the light to kind of low. I want it to simmer down. It's going to take a while, but you know, be patient because you want the best result. So I'm going to allow it to simmer down. So it's good right now. I'm just going to sift it into this coriander here. Okay, this is gonna be garbage now. So the next thing, now you're supposed to let this cool a little bit. I don't want to burn myself. I pour some of this here. Make sure your hands are very clean. Remember, wash with soap and water, 20 seconds. It's not a big deal. And then put some of the ginger. I want to do them kind of batch by batch. Okay, let me pour a little bit of lemon. I'm using NutriBullet. You could use your food processor, or if you have a powerful blender, that could do it. You want to blend it till really, really smooth. So you need a strainer, because I'm going to be straining it like twice. Look at all that foam. I need to help it go down. Lemon. Let me see if you can take all of it off. Put the remaining ginger. I'm just trying to get out all the juice. I'm gonna add more of the syrup. Just go ahead and help it with the spatula. Alright guys, this is the end result of the pineapple lemon ginger juice. Look at how beautiful that color is. Now this is the shaft. Do you know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna be baking either a cake or making a bread with this. If you don't want to do that, you just toss it out. So this is your lemon juice. I mean your pineapple lemon ginger juice. It's very good for this season. If it was summer, all you have to do is you throw in your ice in your bottle and have a nice sip. But like I said, this season we're not really taking cold stuff. We're doing only warm to help our lungs and you know everything going on. So I'm gonna be drinking it like this. Cheers to you. It's lovely, guys. You need to try this out. Thank you for joining me You're so much welcome anytime to my house. If you're seeing my face for the first time, you're welcome. Bienvenido. No, a cabo. In every language I could speak right now. So anyway, subscribe, click on the like button, tap on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload any recipe. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Thank you, and watch other videos. You're gonna learn a lot. It's bye from Ogongwadi, and have a pleasant day. Bye.